God gave me you to show me what's real. And there's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I'm worth is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you.
Are you guys local or just visiting?
Visiting.
Okay.
We're in Jacksonville.
Oh, gotcha. So not too far away.
Yeah,
You're still safe.
Colorado. And,
Oh, okay.
yeah,
So
Colorado.
quite a ways away. A little bit of a climate change for you too right now.
Yes. A little bit.
I was about to say.
Sugarcoating.
Now normally we're actually stationed right here and we take off from right here. As you can see, that area is not usable right now as they do construction. So we get a little bit of a golf cart ride into it as well. We're going to end up going through the airport, actually around those buildings. And then Shalina's going to be waiting for us. Go ahead and let this gate close, because if we don't, it's a solid $10,000 fine that we don't really want to pay. We just have to keep an eye out on people trying to sneak through, because we follow the same regulations as some of the big airports. And good to go. Look through these trees, you can actually see that just this second, you guys are going to be flying in snowball today.
We're riding in snowball today. Helicopter.
This is Shalina. She's going to be your pilot today. They're going on a tour 1 today. You want me to pull up to the helicopter? Okay, we're going to pull up to the helicopter. Shalina's going to get you guys a safety briefing and all that good stuff.
Driver. Yes. This is really happening, guys. Whoa, oh my god. Look at it. There's the helicopter. I'm very nervous right now.
All right, guys.
Oh my god, there's our pilot. Oh wow. Come on, Norris, come here.
If you guys want a picture in front of the helicopter, I can snap one of you right now. It won't inflate at that point. There's another string to pull. We're going to take over you guys.
So, if there is a water landing, which we're not planning on today, first thing you're going to notice is the gray things will inflate, the helicopter will float. We still need to get out and away from it after everything stops moving. At that point, like Ben said, you are going to grab that orange tab on the life jacket, pull it up over your head, it will unfold, and then you will see 2 little red tabs down at the bottom. Yank on those to inflate it. Don't do that part till after you get out, where you will get stuck in the little tiny doors. Alright, so go ahead and get these on to everybody. Just like in a car, just stick the metal tab down in the hole till you hear it push that red button to unbuckle once we're done with the flight. There is no air conditioning in here. It won't be too bad today because the 2 front doors are off. You still get warm. You have these little vents on your doors. You can open those up as much as you'd like, whenever you'd like. Okay. Please do not stick your phones outside the frame of the door. You will drop it. I will not go back. Come back. Come back. Are you stuck? Alright. Life jacket, this seatbelt right under your life jacket here so it doesn't bother you too much. Okay. There's no door for you.
No. Oh, really?
Alright, we're going to head over this way. And so if you just keep a tight grip on that purse, but I do need it to stay on this side or in the back here. Alright, we're going to keep it right there. And it has zippers on it and everything, so just make sure all those zippers are closed. Or plastic that doesn't have zippers. Alright, so same thing up here. Stand inside the skids, inside like a purse, and you can grab onto that bar.
Yeah.
Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making moves. Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Come and fly away with me. 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 Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, don't let it.
Yeah, we did it! Oh my god. You hold on. How was it? I'm nervous. I don't even know what to say. So awesome. We did it! Yes! Woo. Noah. Hey Noah. Hi. You like it? We did it, guys.